Assalamu alaikum and hello happy moms. In the last video we made a fruit cake, and in this video I'm going to tell you how we did not waste a single piece of food. We are going to make fruit popsicles. They are super easy summer treats. So let's see how it's done. My kids actually helped me making these.
We have watermelon, pineapple, mango, kiwi, orange and strawberries. Water, sugar. First we are going to put strawberry, water and some sugar.
The process is very simple. Fruit, some water and some sugar. Blend them together and you have a fruit puree, which we are going to freeze for some hours, and our ice popsicles will be ready. We used the same process for mango, for watermelon, for kiwi and also for pineapple. We used popsicle mold, ice cube tray and some plastic glasses to freeze our ice popsicles. For orange flavored popsicle, we did the same process. Some orange, sugar and water. We blended it together and then we strain it through strainer. We are going to freeze them for 6 to 24 hours. They are almost done in 6 hours, but I left them for more than 8 hours. Once they are done, dip them in the warm water for a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes would be more than enough. Then remove them from their molds.